Hey guys, just reporting more fires happening. This one is in the Canary Islands. As you know, Canary Islands is known for that volcano. If there is a volcano eruptions, the slide will happen, hit, causing a huge tsunami to hit down toward Florida, whatever. But this is a fire that broke out, and another one broke out, and in view of all the vegetation of it's burning, a huge fire, and there is evacuations happening as we speak regarding that. So what's going on? I mean, more fires happening everywhere.